Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and welcome to Shark Week. Yes, Shark Week. And guess what? You're going to make the best shark ever. You're going to eat it. It's not going to eat you, you're going to eat it. And here we go. This is what your shark will look like when it's all finished. And these are the things that you will need. I have 2 cookies. I have a bugle, and I have an extra bugle in case this one breaks. I have some marshmallows and 2 little bitty eyes. And what I did before I started is I took some white icing and I put a little bit of black gel in it, like this, and I stirred it all up so it's gray. But this shark is going to be filled right here. I'm going to use some icing, but you could use ice cream if you want it. So I'm going to turn my cookie over, and on this side, oh brother, that's a lot of icing. Somebody's going to be happy with this. There's your cookie. Now this cookie, we're going to put the back together, and we're going to push just a little. Push it just a little. And then, oh, something's missing here. A lot of things are missing. Well, I think we better put some gray icing on here. And we're going to color this shark up. Oh, yeah. Looking good. Oh, get the front. Oh, get the side. Get him all. Get her or him, whatever. You could have a girl shark. You could have a boy shark. It doesn't matter. We're going to cover him all up. And then, best part ever. See this bugle? Guess what? Just put it in that icing. Oh, turn it over. Turn it over again. Oh, yes, make a big mess. And then take it, and guess what? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. There you go. Now, what's missing now? Well, every shark needs a set of great teeth. So we're just going to use marshmallows. And we're going to go push, and we're going to go push, and we're just going to go all the way around our shark. Push, push, and we're going to push in some great-looking teeth. Oh, yes. Look at his teeth, her teeth. They're looking good. And then we need one little eye here, there for that one. And we need, where did it happen? There it is. And we need one little eye. Ooh, they're hard to pick up right there. And there is your shark for Shark Week. And remember, you can use your things that you have at home. You can use marshmallows, you can use chocolate chips, you can use any kind of supplies that you have and create a shark of your own. So pick up your shark craft at the Danville Public Library. Enjoy Shark Week and eat a shark. Bye guys, miss you. See you soon, we hope.